we've come here today to another little waterfall hidden away in the trees. It's a swallow in the nice country Derbyshire, in the Dales. So we're going to go down here and we'll have a gandy when we get a bit further down. Coming down into like a really steep alcove as it goes down.
I don't know why I just stopped to check if I got a
Ooh dear. This is steep. It gets a bit steeper. Because I can hear the water. With justice. See if I can comes into, look. It's just over there down the trees, see that water just flowing down slowly. But it is a steep climb down. Let's go. It's like a massive crater all the way around. Just like properly surrounds it. And we're just in the middle of it. It's over there. Zoom zoom. We'll try and get a bit closer. Over here. It's raining over the last couple of days. It's been dry today and a bit dry yesterday, so pictures that I've seen, this place really throws it down when it's been raining. Probably covers all this. Not a bad little picture study. Not bad at all. So yeah, apart from the nice scenery it goes round, a nice photographic, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see this when mains coming down, just like the other one I suppose. It just trickles. We need to find ourselves a fast flowing high one. We need to set out to find that. But this is in Derbyshire, near the village of Eam, if you'd like to come and visit. But it's a cool little place. If there's anything else, I'll let you know, but I might even cut through to the nice little village of Eam and have a look on the way and tell you a bit of history about it. Found something, let's go and have a look. So, found a hole. Looks like a little cave, innit? Say little. That goes down a bit, to be fair. Looks a bit deep though. It's right underneath a tree root, between the rocks. Yeah, the roots to the trees are really thick, aren't they?
There could be a dead body down there.
It's there we go, title. Clickbait title.
Dead body!
Found a dead body, mate!
Bit disrespectful, but it's fine. There could be a dead body down there.
You don't know. Careful. One more thing as well. That little tunnel that we found over there, I'm looking at the stonework. So like all this is on top and that looks like to me that it might have been cut into at some point. And maybe it's been some sort of quarry. Or have mined in for something. Just for how like the top of it's cut out. Like there's 2 layers worth. It makes me wonder if they were looking for something. They were trying to quarry it out, maybe a small quarry at some point, put stones that are down at the floor as well. You just don't know. Just a bit further around here, look.
I did just get up on the thing.
There's another hole, mate. wonder if it's limestone or something. Actually, no, that might be copper wall or something. I go back so far you can see and it stops. So I wonder if they were using it for mining. We'll have to do our research. We will. So we'll come back if we get anything on the research. Everyone, I lost the video to the next bit, which pretty much the outro and the information. The only information I pulled off it was that there's a lot of mines underneath it. There's the glebe mine, and it goes into like big alcoves and like taverns, yeah. And that's pretty much it. The water runs down from there and underground. There's lots of different ones like that where people were cutting into the floor to see where it was going, and that was about it really. And the video pretty much just said what I'm about to say here, which is if you like our stuff, subscribe, like, comment, tell us how we can do better, tell us what you'd like to see, and there's plenty more to come. So just notifications on, and thanks for watching.
You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.